our channel. Yeah. Today we're gonna do a mukbang challenge. If you don't know what a mukbang is, it's all this. Yeah, a lot, all of it.
What food did you have?
Okay. We have spaghetti with tomato sauce with a spread, and spaghetti with tomato sauce and ice cream and chicken. We're gonna make Play-Doh later on.
Okay, now but today we're gonna do eat. So let's eat.
Oh, we have to pray.
Okay, can't pray and eat.
Okay, now it's payments. God, Father God, bless this wonderful food so we can have a wonderful time. Thank you for this food you give us. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen. Let's start.
Attack! Eat!
Attack! Attack the noodle village.
They have a chicken.
I love it.
They have a noodle.
It's so delicious. You know, this is my favorite, so I'm definitely gonna win.
And about the Maya eating the chicken. Put the plate to you. How about the Hannah?
I'm trying the ice cream. Ice cream.
So enjoy the eating.
We'll see you later on. Yeah. To eat noodles, you must spin. Pick up. Oh. That's it. Very good. Yeah, she'll be in third place if you don't. Gotta eat everything. Mommy made it. I love ice cream. The rules are you eat. The second rule is eat. You know what the third rule is then? Eat. No. Eat. No. First rule is eat. Second rule, eat. Third rule, munch. I have to eat like this. I cannot eat it like this.
How's your school?
Good. School is great. Got a free play. We did it later. We did not do it now. We did it later. I swear. School was amazing.
He thought by kicking and pushing him to the ground, he would take advantage of such polite exit.
Noodles. Spaghetti. I do, because I love everything.
An NYPD cop just crossed through the line. You know what that means, yeah? Their business. They will shut down all illegal activities until they find their cocktail. Now, Stojek doesn't have documents because Stojek doesn't exist, but you, NYPD will come for you. The best drug.
Ice cream, cookies and cream.
So it's a good combination. Chicken, pasta, ice cream.
Yeah. If you have all these food,
You'll be happy?
Feeling wasn't there.
Happy, Tommy?
Don't say it at the end of the video. Look. If you have this ice cream, please eat it. Delicious. Oh, a good way for pasta is to mix the sauce with the spaghetti. Makes it good combination. We went there.
Okay, say goodbye to everyone.
Bye. We're gonna continue eating our food. Subscribe, like, hit that bell.
We're done yet?
And comment down below. We're gonna eat. And these are all my foods that are my favorite. And please comment down below what are your favorite foods. And we're gonna eat for you. Thank you. And bye. Peace out. Bye. Subscribe, comment down below, and hit the notification bell
So you never miss one of our
and like our videos.